Shift is a unique training program for students and recent graduates as they move from a life in full-time education into a life as a full-time professional practicing artist.
Everything is about developing and wrapping business skills around your creative talent to help you make decisions about what you want to do and how you want to do it. There are networking opportunities, there are activities, solo work sessions, breakout sessions, and peer support opportunities. So I implore you to get stuck into all of those things.
You might be coming into Shift with a sort of vague idea of what you want to do after you graduate, and throughout the week you'll go on a journey starting with determining your core values, your goals, and then you're going to head into the nitty-gritty details and have a really clear set of steps for what you need to do next to start on your path in the creative industries. These are important lifelong skills. If you're taking the next steps into the creative industries, apply now for Shift 2021.